Alright guys, it's almost time for opening. To show you some of the updates. Got our roof added. Can't put it all the way on just because we have the fence right there. We have to wait until the fence is all the way open to finish it. Alright, we got lights hooked up. Obviously be much better at nighttime, but it's also nice to have a daytime walkthrough. My daughter thinks that guy is the scariest. The street light as much as we can. So as you know, that is really bright. And this is our dark. Hope you're not afraid of snakes. Or giant lizards. Or more snakes. Got the new black lights hooked up in here. Oh no, it's Hairy Larry coming out of the fireplace. Of course, part of it's in the sun and part of it's not. Still finishing up this part. I wonder what's going in here. Give you a hint, more black lights. I really like these LED black lights that I got. And now that we've got most of it finished, I put up the exit covering flaps. Because before I was giving everybody a little peek at what was inside. Not anymore. What's there? Ah! Alrighty, that's it. Enjoy. And come on down this weekend. Bring your non-perishable goods for the food bank and have a great time. And by the way, we're going to have cocoa and cider for everybody. See you then.